This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Houston Stanley. The Rialto Theater was by far the grandest of the movie palaces of its day, and now with the city's $80 million revitalization of Denison's Main Street, the magic has returned to the heart of downtown West, the Rialto being its historic prize jewel restored to its original splendor in the 80s, still packing events to this day with musical concerts, holiday specials, executive conferences, conventions, orchestras, fundraisings, comedy, weddings and parties. This multi-genre venue was well known for its widescreen boasting legendary acts such as the Marx Brothers, Gene Autry, Roy Rogers, John Wayne, Elvis Presley, etc. Positioned in the center of the Main Street action, surrounded by galleries, museums, cafes, wineries, breweries, boutiques, with the current restorations of Hotel Denison, Travelers Hotel, and the Katy Depot puts Denison on the map as a cultural destination city to rivals such as Fredericksburg, while situated near Lake Texoma, 12th largest lake in the U.S., only 1 hour north of Dallas. For more information, review the details below or contact Houston Stanley at 903-786-5188.